In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a scan in Scanner Pro on your iPhone. First, open the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. When the app loads, you'll see your library of scanned documents on the main screen. Take a moment to find the specific scan you want to tidy up. Maybe there's a bit of desk showing around the paper, or the edges aren't quite straight. Cropping will help clean that up and make your document look neat and professional. Go ahead and tap the scan you want to edit. This opens the document so you can see it full screen. If your scan has multiple pages, start with the page you want to adjust. You'll be able to repeat the same process on other pages as needed. But for now, focus on the one that needs attention. Next, look for the edit option or the crop icon. Depending on your version, you might see an edit button at the top or a square-shaped crop symbol with corner guides. Tap that to open the crop tool. You'll know you're in the right place when you see adjustable handles along the corners and edges of your document. Now it's time to adjust the crop. Drag the corners or the sides to match the edges of your paper. Aim to line up the guides so they hug the boundary of the document without cutting into any text or important details. If you want extra precision, move slowly and take your time refining each corner. It can help to bring the guides just inside the paper's edge to avoid picking up any background. Check that the crop follows the natural shape of the page, especially if the original photo was at a slight angle. As you refine the corners, you'll see the preview update, giving you a clear idea of how the final result will look. Once everything is lined up and you're happy with it, tap Done or Save to apply the crop. Your scan will update immediately with the clean edge you set. If you notice anything you want to tweak afterward, no problem. Simply return to the same editing screen and adjust the crop again. Cropping doesn't change your original content, it just trims away the distractions around it. And that's it. You've opened Scanner Pro, selected your scan, entered the crop tool, fine-tuned the edges, and saved your changes. With a clean crop, your document will look sharper, easier to read, and more professional whenever you share or store it.